Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a new knife that I recently acquired from AliExpress, and this will be probably a series of knives because there are few of them. They go under the brand name of KESIWO, Freetiger or Tunafire. So this one is the model GT958. You can also find it under the model number FT958, depending on if it is under the Tuna brand or Freetiger or KESIWO, and that is with the W. So what we have here is a series of mostly, so all of them are in different micartas. It is probably a OEM design or OEM manufacturing. Some plant did design this, and it is offered under different brand names, maybe in different countries, or maybe for different shops, and you can put your logo there and so on. So probably this is the basic behind this new knife series. So like I mentioned, there will be 5 of them. I acquired a few of them, try to get all of them, of course, but it will depend on how fast I can get them and for what price, of course. But usually these are in the budget offering bracket or budget offering, so you are looking to pay around $20 to $27. So this will be in my playlist, knives under $30. Okay, so knife came really nice, clean. We have no oil spillage nowhere. One screw was loose, as you can see here, and also here. So I will tighten it down, but wanted to show you how it came out of the box. So we have a nice flipping action. All of these will feature the same construction. So we have D2 steel, stainless steel liners, liner lock, some color variant of micarta, they call it high-end flex fiber. We have a nice grain canvas micarta here, and a nice color pivot coloring around the pivot screw. So let me give you the quick specifications. So we have a overall length of 19.3 centimeters or 7.6 inches. The handle length is 11.2 centimeters or 4.4 inches. The blade is 8 centimeters or 3.1 inch. The blade width is 2.3 centimeters or 0.9 inches. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The blade blade thickness, the handle thickness is 1.4 centimeters or 0.55 inches. Like I mentioned, we have D2, which is only marking on the blade. This was sold under the KESIWO brand name. There was no laser logo on the blade. I saw Tunafire has Tunafire logo, and also the Freetiger variant has a logo on this side. So if you want a sterile one, then search for KESIWO GT958. Okay, the pivot assembly, like I mentioned, rides on ball bearings, washers, of course, so nice and smooth. Centering is decent, I'll say almost perfect. We have a black plastic backspacer. I don't know why they went with black plastic and don't use a piece of micarta. It will be probably a little bit more expensive, but realistically it will not change much the price, but the aesthetics would be a little bit more pleasing. So the knife features also a nice lanyard hole. So let me tighten the screws down. Okay, so the screw is tightened down. Let me show you the pocket profile. So here is my old jean pocket. So really nice deep carry pocket clip. Mirror polish, stainless steel, of course. So one little thing I would like to maybe hint at or say, these screws should be flush, not this type one. So let me give you a comparisons. In my pocket is today the KESIWO Elementum. So this is how it should be made. Because you are getting a little bit less space. So if you have a tight or heavy fabric jeans or heavy fabric pockets, heavy fabric trousers, then you maybe could have a problem and your pocket will stop here. But who knows? Definitely improvement could be done also on this knife, but we have a really nice clip point blade, ergonomically styled handle. Let me show you the sharpness. So it's nicely decent sharp out of the box. The finish of the blade is really nice and stone washed. This is what you would like to have on a EDC blade, just to have help with the rust resistance. So overall, really nice knife. Okay, so the weight comes at 86.4 grams or 3 ounces. Now let's talk a little bit about the pricing. Like I mentioned, these are in the budget range, so you are looking for around $20. Sometimes they will be sold, like I mentioned, under different names. So Freetiger, Tunafire, these prices can go up and down depending on the reseller who is selling them. Lots of shops on AliExpress, maybe probably also on eBay, will sell them, and probably as low as I saw them was around $17, but it depends on if some kind of sale is ongoing or not. So keep that in mind, search around. I will put some links below, but it depends. When I'm watching this video, these links could be not active anymore. It is what it is on AliExpress. The shops are popping out and up and out of history really fast. Okay, now let's see some size comparison. So here's the KESIWO Elementum from V Knives, their daughter company, which is KESIWO. Yeah, nice micarta handle scales, really nice executed pocket clip, but almost double the price, and sometimes even more if you are adding up the shipping and so on. Okay, so now let's see a few other options. So Here is what I really like from Kubi. This is the Aries or KU179C. These will come in different handle variants. This happens to be the brown micarta, which is the polished micarta. You can see the difference here, the polished micarta. Okay. Now from Kaiser I have here the pinch, which is a non-locking, also green micarta variant, which I like to call the Chinese micarta. Another blade from CVV, which is the rustic gent. It's a backlog, traditional gentleman's style folder. From Petrified Fish I have here the PF949, which is it's a Flax micarta style material, a little bit larger, under $50. From QSP we have the Pelican. And from Tuna Knife I have the Cebu. They also offer the Talisman and the Bruiser, which are also decent knives for the money. If you are looking for something in the budget pricing, also with micarta, here is the 1512 from Brother Knives. This comes in black G10 and a green micarta. Giant Mouse Ace Grand. Also excellent EDC knife, but costs around $200 plus. Then I have here my tribal lock from Case. Now let us continue with Red Model 2. Spyderco Delica, Kershaw Leak, Benchmade small grip Tillion, which is large grip Tillion from Benchmade. Red Model 1. Bug Vintage Select small. And Bug Vintage Pro, which is the large version and a little bit higher end materials. For some classic options I have here my Peanut from Rough Rider, and also a buck toothpick. From K-Bar, here's the Dozier, also excellent DDC lightweight option out there. Okay, so this was the KESIWO GT958 or Freetiger FT958, also on the Tunafire, yeah. I'm getting confused with all these names. Yeah, Tunafire GT598. A small, lightweight option if you like to collect or add to your collection a inexpensive micarta handled knife, then this is a nice option right out there. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. I would like to appreciate all my subscribers and hope that if you are not one of them, then just click subscribe right there and you will not miss any of my videos. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.